tell you about a low-cost lead generation strategy that can help increase sales in your business. I don't need to tell you why lead gen is so important, because lead gen is at the heart of your business, while sales is the lifeblood. This lead generation strategy can be used with your blogs, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, any social media platform that you use to generate leads and attract clients. I can guarantee you that your competition is using this sales prospecting technique in their lead generation campaigns, and you can too. I'm Shameka Volkers, a copywriter and marketer. If you're new around here, tap the bell so you're notified of new videos that can help you to market your business. Let's get started. Now, the goal of lead generation is to convert potential buyers into customers and customers into loyal, raging fans. So here's what you do. Create a lead magnet, something of value such as a quiz, coupon, how-tos that'll capture email addresses so that you can build your email list. When you build your email list, you don't have to rely on the ever-changing algorithm of social media platforms. And when you build your list, you own your list. Now, it's critical when you get people on your list to send them regular emails to nurture them so that they get to know, like, and trust you. Now, the trick is to create emails that are engaging, but in order for people to read your emails, you have to get them enticed with your subject line. And what I've done for you is I've created some subject lines for you that you can grab down below. Now, what you want to do is to send different types of emails to the leads that you've captured. So you can send promotional emails, you can send how-tos, you can send motivational emails, anything to get people into your world and they understand you, they get to know your brand, and they get to trust you. Anything that keeps the conversation going. Because out of sight, out of mind. You want people to engage with you, get to know you, and be loyal to you and your brand. And you can use a CRM tool to segment your list so that you can send these different types of emails to your cold, warm, and hot leads. What questions do you have about this lead generation strategy? Let me know in the comments down below.